you know, we were at our offices, Is or Isn't, and I was winding down at Friends thinking, what am I going to do after that? And I was really just horrified, struck with reality TV. Anna Nicole was the only like bio one, I think, and the Osbournes, right?
The early days of reality television.
I know. I realized we did this when Amazing Race was only in its second season. So for us, it was like, oh my God, reality TV is, you know, aren't we done with it yet? And I had seen The Amazing Race, and I saw a married couple doing a competition, and the girl had to eat something spicy, and she was vomiting and crying while her husband was yelling at her. And I thought, but that's the most humiliating thing. A person, why would anybody sign up for this? That's insanity. And so that's sort of where it started.
Sorry, Dan, go ahead.
I remember, and also the